Well, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came from 5 a.m. ramen. Head on over to Instant Noodles. Oh no, Instant Ramen.jp. If you go to instantnoodles.jp, you'll get it. Go to instantramen.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider if you choose to get something. I would. Anyway, so this is New Touch Shio Ramen, chicken Shio Ramen. And it is fancy. Hello, Miriam. How are you today? Okay. Well, let's make some ramen. It's time. Let me see here. Oh, I think this needs to go in there. I bet you Miles is having fun at school. I bet you are right, young lady. How long we got? 4 minutes. Okay. So there's the noodle block. There's the noodle block. And we take this and we go. Drop this in. It mentioned putting this on top. Maybe. I don't know. I'm colorblind. I'm just blind, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what to tell you. But I think I got this. 4 minutes. We're going to put a lid on it. You know how we do. Peek-a-boodle. There we go. 4 minutes. Go over there. So, I don't know if you... Oh, yeah. Is this blue? This is red. It might be a typo. I'll have to talk to dude. I'll have to talk to the guy about the stuff and the thing. You know. That's what yeah. Don't worry about me. But anyways, yeah, it's Friday. Do you guys spend a lot of money on beverages? You're always running out of beverages at an inopportune time? I hear you. I totally hear you. I've been enjoying, I guess enjoying should be a long, kind of a, taken with a asterisk. But I've been enjoying this. I saw this at the store and I was like, really? A box of 7-Up? They're like little Crystal Light packets. And honestly, you know that wonderful lime smell that Pine Sol has? Or whatever? Detergents? Cleaners? It tastes like that. And I always thought Pine Sol would taste good, but no. Don't do that. I haven't actually drank Pine Sol. Although that.
The other day.
What?
We go to the zoo on the other.
You want to tell them about the zoo? Come on.
Yeah.
Say hello to the nice people.
Hello, nice people.
So we went to the zoo, huh?
Yeah.
What did you see at the zoo?
I saw the merry-go-round.
You got to ride on the merry-go-round.
Yeah.
Were you merry? Did you have a merry time on the old merry-go-round?
I was going on a horse.
Yeah.
And Mama didn't let me go.
Yeah, because you were gonna fall off the horse, huh?
Yeah.
You stayed on that horse.
And I hold on the rail.
Yeah, you did good.
The same time.
Was it kind of scary?
Mm-mm.
No, because Mama was there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Miles didn't want to get on the horse. He was like, nah, I'm good. You're going like, woo.
And I say hi, Papa, and hi, Mama.
Yeah, you were waving. We were waving at you. You had fun, didn't you?
Yeah.
Did we see sharks? We saw sharks there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Big shark.
Did we see sharks?
We did. Big sharks. There was a tiger. Roar. And there was
A tiger.
We saw a musk ox and it went pee. We saw that, huh?
Mascot?
Yeah, the big thing in the field. It looked like a cow, but really hairy.
A mascot wins pee.
Yeah. And what did the other musk ox do? There's like dogs. They went and sniffed its butt and then sniffed the pee. Then they walked away. They were happy. Yeah. Animals are weird, huh? What's the deal with animals? What do you think of animals? Eh. Eh. No, really, do you like animals?
Yeah.
Why? Do they like you? Do you like monsters? No, why not?
Because they're really too scary.
Do they want to eat you? Don't monsters? I think monsters want to eat you. No? Well, I won't let them. Don't worry about it. See what happens. Thank you for being on the show, Mimi. Your per diem will show up on your 18th birthday. All right, so what I'm gonna do here, folks, is I'm gonna take my Zoop spoon and I'm gonna try to pick up all this fancy garnish you see here, because I wanna have this look all garnished on top. Get out of there. Get in that spoon. Get in that spoon. There's some more. Making these wonderful sounds for you. Big news lately has been all about Afghanistan. I don't know. I don't know. I will leave it at that. I just don't know. So let's take this bowl. Oh no, let's take this sachet. That's what I meant to say. Let's look down at this pot. Let's take this pot here. You know, there's just still a lot of bits and pieces in there. I wish I could get them all out. I could have reserved a little boiling water, put it in a sake cup, and then added all the stuff. So this is like a high-end premium. This is like when you want to have good ramen in Japan. And there's a yuzu that'll go with it too. And I'll try that after. You know, I really want to have these be in the middle on top. One. Oh, well, here's one. I'll try this right now. Oh my. Oh my. Let's try this noodle out. This looks sensational. Holy moly. I think these, I don't know exactly what this stuff is, but it's good. Okay. Now we're gonna try it with this. I believe this is a yuzu shichimi kind of deal. If it is, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little bit to try on some noodle. Maybe some broth. No? Yeah, I don't know if that's actually a shichimi. I think I'm just gonna stir it in. I hope I'm not doing the wrong thing here. If I am, my apologies. Hey, careful out there. I don't like hearing banging and booming. There we are. Look at that. Ooh, pretty. Wow, that is one unique broth, and it's absolutely wonderful. I'll tell you right now, I haven't gotten anything. I think the lowest score I gave to anything from Stuff that came from 5 a.m. ramen was a 4.5. I think it was a Nissan UFO version. Wasn't my favorite, but everything else has gotten a 5-star. And this, honestly, like I've been saying lately, I don't like to say what score I'm gonna give to stuff on the show, but this is a 5. It's like, when it's a no-brainer, I don't mind doing it. So there you go. And now let's try one of these little meatballs. I think they're chicken meatballs. Wow. I've got chicken here. I'm not using it. That's more than plenty. Here's some beautiful I'm gonna go with a little bit of mung bean sprout. I don't know, I like the crunch. I like a little crunch. Come on. I think the mung bean sprout is quite possibly one of the best things in the world. They're really good. They're really good. That 7-Up stuff? No, not so much. I also made Kool-Aid. Woo. But yeah, it's her first week on the new job. She's like, do I need to get anything after work? I'm like, no. You need to come home and have a nice time to relax. She's checking people in, scheduling people at her new place. I am impressed. So, and I'm impressed with these noodles. Holy cow. All right, Rotato. Let's see what you got. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. The next one we're gonna have is over there. I'll go get it. And this will be a mukbang. This will be review number 4050. You're swimming? The next one we'll have is this Korean spicy chicken from Indonesia, mie sedap. All right, well, this has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one.